This is a certified pre-owned 2011 BMW X5. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, BMW Assist, Comfort Access, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, a smartphone adapter, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, xDrive, a sports suspension, cornering lights, adaptive brake lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: voice activation technology, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, BMW individual composition, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a service level indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 23,000 miles. The BMW inspection process covers everything from safety to performance and general wear. Plus, this BMW is backed by a 6-year, 100,000-mile limited warranty, and it comes with travel protection 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, even if you're not the one driving. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.